just really quick, because I'll probably do a different video about AMS ads, but if you're going to do AMS ads, I recommend that you trust your mindset on which keywords to use and not use the automatic setup that Amazon has. Choose your own keywords when you're doing a AMS ad campaign, because I found that the ones that I started out generally just letting Amazon choose the keywords and easy 1, 2, 3, it launches. I launched it in less than a minute, 45 seconds. That you're gonna cost yourself a lot of money that way. I wasn't making many sales that way. The terms were too broad. They probably were serving ads to people that were loosely searching for some of the terms that I was interested in ranking high on and my ad being placed on. So I've totally done a 180 on that, and I keyword my own and make them as specific as possible. So even if I have 50 different terms and I'm doing the most specific, the most narrow of that is what's getting me the sales. Because it's like, you don't want to go any broader than that. You might get impressions and things and some clicks, but then ultimately people are like, oh no, well, that's not kind of what I was looking for, sort of thing. And so even though your ad is getting served to people and you're getting click-throughs and all of that, is probably not getting you very many sales. And then on top of that, if Amazon sees, even though you had this ad, Amazon sees that people are clicking through but not buying the thing, it's gonna mess up whatever organic placement, non-ad placement that you've had for your shirt in general. So I recommend that if you're gonna do AMS ads, that you make them as specific as possible and you select the keywords and you test them and stay focused on them, because there's one shirt that I have that I'm doing AMS ads for, and that thing has skyrocketed. The funny thing is, on that shirt though, that I'm not getting many click-throughs on the ads, and the ads that I do get click-throughs on, it converts to a sale like that. But the boon of sales that I'm getting right now, I guess people see the ads and then they just scroll down and keep looking at the shirt. So I think what the ad is doing is, when people click through on that and then they go down and see the shirt, non-sponsored, right, version of the shirt, that they click through on that too. So maybe it's helping my organic search at the same time. I have no idea. But now my shirts that I have, I did about 4 or 5 design variations of it, are at the top of search generally, and I'm getting good traffic from my ad too. So I've sold about 10, 15 of those shirts in a week. So that's really good for a new performer, because I just uploaded the shirt about a month ago and saw that it was only one that had a similar idea of what I was focused in on, and so it was like gangbusters. But those key words that you have to use in this niche wasn't getting it to the top of shirts. It was like thousands of shirts that came up with these keywords, but it had nothing to do with the design and the focus that I had. So that's why I started doing the AMS ads. So you guys let me know if you ventured into AMS ads, what successes you've had, that sort of thing. But I just wanted to bring that up too. It's kind of the odd world of Amazon, feeling your way through Merch by Amazon and the things that I've encountered so far. The last thing, don't go cheap with your pricing. I know that, is various schools of thought. I shared my pricing strategy in my video. So if you haven't seen that video, it's in my Venus Merch by Amazon playlist, which is linked down below as well. Or up in the cards, either way. Don't go cheap on your pricing. I know, just starting out, tier 10, tier 25, tier 100, you just want to make sales in general. And that's the school of thought of a lot of folks that have content for Merch by Amazon for beginners. But that hasn't been my philosophy. But you judge for yourself. You see that I'm on tier 1000 and I'm just about to make my 1000th sale. However, some folks that have made way more than me and tiered way more sales than me and have tiered up before me, their royalties are in the gutter. And I don't know. Time is money, and I'm not willing to spend 6 months to a year just doing something and making no benefit so that I can have more slots to add more bargain basement priced items to. So that's just not my philosophy. So if you haven't seen the pricing video, check it out. But generally, most of my shirts are $19.99 up to $22.99. $21.99 has been my sweet spot for the more graphic looking, graphical element having shirts. And then my text-based shirts are $19.99. Some of them that I think that I just added simple design elements to, but very basic with the text, still garner $21.99 and up. So it just depends on, like others have said before, the niches that you're in, what's clever and unique about it, and be the first one on the block. Don't copy. When I'm thinking about improving on an idea, I don't mean looking at that person's thing and doing it in a different font color, all of that. I'm thinking of a unique way to look at it and to appeal more, because some of those shirts that are in specific niches, it's done before, and so people are like, well, it's shirts out there, don't copy it. Obviously not copy it, but it's freedom of choice, right? On Amazon, we want to give customers an opportunity. If this is a whack looking shirt design, I'm not saying copy it verbatim. Definitely come at a different angle, different design elements, different uniqueness to it. If you could tweak the saying on it, if it's a word saying or something like that. But I don't think you should totally stay away from it because there's one or two shirts out there already that have that. So I'm not advocating copycatting. I don't think that it would be beyond reason that if you've had a similar design, you search it up and it's there, and it's a few there, that you shouldn't have the opportunity to present your design to customers and they make a choice as to what they like and not, and if the pricing is reasonable or not for them. So that's what I had to share. The oddities that I've encountered in the last couple of days and just in general on my merch journey. If you have not subscribed, I won't pull out the subscribe pillow. But if you watched this video and enjoyed the content, watched others, playlists, videos that I have too, please like and share with the community and subscribe. We love new visitors to our planet. So, and then also, guys, let me know what topics you want me to cover. Again, I've been on Merch by Amazon for a year and a couple months now, and I enjoy it. I love, interacting with the community, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook groups, the Reddit. Reddit can be kind of scary sometimes, but I love you guys too. So yeah, just want to share what I know to help you along the way and hear from you. Some tips, best practices that you could share with me is helpful as well. So thank you for joining today, and I'll be coming back with more videos. I have 3 videos a week on Tuesday, today, Thursday, and on Saturday. So join me back anytime. It's always welcome, and thank you for watching, and be well, and peace, family.